So, ayun nga po guys, before tayo mag-start doon sa Forex trading, so wag niyo pong kalimutan muna mag-subscribe dito sa Angel NFT, and then wag niyo pong kalimutan i-hit yung bell button para updated po tayo lagi sa aking ipopost na mga reviews dito sa aking YouTube. So, about nga po guys sa Forex trading online platform. Ito po yung Forex Metals na we have in investment funds. So, may mga traders or kailangan po natin mag-create po dito ng investment funds para makareceive po tayo ng 50% of the fund profit. Advanced platform, meron po silang popular trading platforms. Yan. And then, meron po silang trading credits. So, syempre guys, mag-deposit po tayo doon. Turnover rates, meron din po silang $3 for 1 MUSD. And the partnership, meron din po silang affiliate program. Ito po yung isang opportunity para maka-earn po tayo without taking any risk trading. So, we have a mobile application. Meron po silang personal area. So, ayan, liquidity provider din. However, to read more, kailangan lang po natin yan intindihin para madami po tayong nalalaman dito about sa kanilang platform. Meron po silang established reliable broker, MetaTrader, wide range, and then aggregated liquidity, partnership, and also yung promo. About sa popular services, may investment account po sila. Isa po siyang napaka-isayas to we create about sa mga investment funds. Meron din silang bonuses of formation, meron po silang $100 or no deposit bonus. And then the turnover debates, meron po silang mga cashback surveys or remuneration and then credited automatically. So, yun yung pakadali. And then account types, meron po silang mga X-Prime and then the Cent and then the classic. So, syempre guys, napakadali lang din talaga. And then the deposit and withdrawal. Ito po yung wide range of payment system na 0% commission po guys. And then may partnership po sila about sa mga Bitcoin and then also yung Skrill and then more pa. So, perfect money po guys. And then the company news. Ito po yung mga changes about sa trading schedule. May mga more news din po dyan guys. I-click lang po natin para madami po tayong nalalaman. Analytics nila. Ito yung mga quotes or half in analytics, ayan, about sa mga about us naman, about sa kampanya nila guys or sa company, yan po yung makikita po natin dito. So you have to open link lang guys kasi meron po sila sa Google Play or iOS. About sa Google Play, install lang po natin siya. And then, i-click lang po natin yan. And then, babasok po tayo dyan sa kanilang platform. Meron po silang App Store. And then, yung channel nila guys, ayan, meron din po silang mga Telegram. And then, meron din po silang ayan, yan po yung Telegram nila. So, may mga community po sila dyan or dyan po sila group of information or dyan, sasali po tayo dyan. Mag-join lang po tayo dyan sa kanilang Telegram. And then, meron po silang Instagram, meron po silang Facebook. And then, ito po yung Instagram nila guys. May logo po dyan about sa Forex trading. Ayan yung makikita natin na pinapost po nila dito about sa X-Shifts or Global. Kailangan po natin mag-follow dyan guys. Huwag po natin kalimutan. And then, dito po tayo guys sa pag-re-registered. So, paano nga po tayo mag-register? So, syempre, mag-create po tayo ng personal area natin. Yung full name, syempre, wag po natin kalimutan. Yung citizenship natin, or syempre, Philippines po dyan. Wag po natin kalimutan, baka makalimutan nyo. And yung number, syempre, and then the email address, and then wag po nang kalimutan, i-agree yun. I-click lang po natin yan, and then the continue. So, pagkatapos natin, guys, mag-sign up, syempre, mag-login po tayo dito sa ating personal area para makapasok po tayo sa trading platform. You have to sign to personal area. Ito yung makikita natin. Ito yung mga trading accounts or yung ating accounts. Meron po sila transitory accounts and then may trading accounts or for trading account. Ayan, open na demo. Ito po yung open na trading account natin. May trading platform po sila, account type, position account system, and then account currency. Meron po sila demo account. Ayan yung demo account nila. And then may change account leverage din, change account password. And then yung deposit and withdrawal, ito po yung may deposit funds, withdraw, internal, and then enter exchange rate. Ito po yung internal transfer natin. So, syempre guys, may transfer from, mag-choose lang po tayo dyan, and then the amount, and then transfer, and then continue. And then the payment history, and then ito po yung inner exchange rates din. And then the bonuses and credits by trading, welcome, and new deposit bonus. We have our contest. Meron silang gold whale, or ito po yung gold whale, identity verification required po. Yun po yung pinaka-importante. So, verification required dapat. So, we have our the welcome bonus. Ito po yung mag-get po natin. So, welcome bonus yet. So, make a deposit lang. Click lang po natin yan. And then, the investment, meron po silang dashboard or may investment. Ayan, ito po yung investment dashboard nila. Ayan yung fund name natin. So, makikita po natin yan, napakahaba po niyan. And then, create investment fund. Meron din po silang mga investment funds. And then, sa partnership, may customer support po sila, referral, financial statement, promotion tools. And then, we have our customer support, create a ticket, manage ticket or download center. About sa profile naman, yung personal details natin or identity verification, mag-change password, ganon. So, dito po sa promotion tools, ito po yung mga partner level, beginner pa lang po tayo dito. So, may mga link po dyan. Number 2, and please note, referral link nga po guys, it can identify the company website. So, we have our identity verification. Ito po yun guys. Attention, meron po silang App Store, Google Play, App Gallery, MyCat, or FAQ file. And then sa deposit funds naman guys, ito po yung makikita natin. Meron po silang transfer method. So, syempre, madami po dito. So, pipili po tayo. So, syempre, crypto po tayo. And then, meron po sa perfect money. And the processing currency, USD to the RCR20. And then, the amount. And then, to account is, continue lang po natin. Like, for example, yung amount natin is $10. So, continue lang po natin yan. So, and then, wait po natin na ma-confirm. And then, continue lang din ulit. And then, ayan, ikakopy lang po natin yung address dyan. And then, punta po tayo sa Binance. And then, USDT, click lang po natin yan. And then, withdraw, click lang natin yung address. And then, put lang po natin yung ating kinopy. And then, the TRX network. And then, the amount is 11. And then, withdraw natin yun, guys. I-click lang po natin. And then, confirm na po natin yan. And then, balik po tayo dito sa withdraw funds. So, ayan, sa withdraw funds nga po, guys, is transfer method lang din. Crypto lang din ulit. And then, dito nga po guys sa transfer from USD yan. And then, the amount, minimum amount po dito guys is 15 USD. So, hover the USD or TRC nga. And then, a crypto wallet and then continue lang din ulit. So, dito tayo sa Binance, ayan, sa convert pagte-trade. So, syempre guys, mag-select lang po tayo ng deposit crypto. USDT lang po natin yan. And then, crypto wallet, ayan, ikakopy lang po natin and input, and then continue lang din. And then, sa investment naman, meron po silang investment dashboard. So, dito po tayo sa investment dashboard. So, wait lang po natin mag-loading. So, ayan, sa investment dashboard nga po guys, ito po yung mga fund name, age or equity investor or overall return, and then the chat. So, syempre guys, invest lang natin, i-click lang po natin yung invest. And then, ayan po yung mint money natin. So, meron po silang mga minimum investment dito is 100 USD and monthly remuneration is 20%. And the trading interval is 1 month nga po guys. So, you have to invest. I-click lang po natin yan. So, ayan, yung amount natin. And then, i-check lang po natin yun na fully understand. And then, continue lang po natin. And then, guys, sana madami po tayong natutunan dito. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan, mag-subscribe and hit the bell button.